Hello and welcome to a Unraid Quickie on how to fix permission errors in Unraid. While working with Unraid, you might at some point come across permission errors in your network drives, even though you have permissions set correctly in the Unraid menu. In my example, I have a share called Media that I export as public, so anyone should be able to view, create, modify, and delete files on it. However, when I actually go onto my network drive, I get multiple different permission errors. For my example, I get the following errors. When I open a folder, it doesn't contain any files, even though I know that there should be files inside. If I try to create a file, I get this error. And if I just try to open this existing file, I get this error. Another common issue would be not being able to delete a file. While the causes for these errors can vary wildly, Unraid does include a fix to get everything working again. To apply the fix, we need to head over to Tools. Then click on New Permissions and select the disk or share you are having problems with. In my case, it would be the share Media. But you can also select all shares and all disks to go through your whole array and repair all permissions. Once that is done, you can hit Start. This will repair all permissions back to the defaults that work with Unraid. That means a user who should have read-write access to a whole share will have read-write access on all files of that share again. And if a user only has read access to a share, they will have read access on all files in that share. If the user has no permissions, they will of course not be able to connect to the share at all. Let's check if it has worked. When I now access this folder, I can see lots of files inside. If I try to create a new file, I can do that without problems. If I try to open the text document from earlier, this also works just fine. While this fix might not help with the original cause for your permission error, it can at least help you fix it. In many cases, the reason for the corruption of file permissions are Docker containers. Because of that, I recommend checking any Dockers that have access to the messed up files and see if you can find out which one is causing it. I hope this quick video helped you, and I wish you lots more fun with your Unraid server.